Guys, what's up? It's PillowCase56 and today we are going to be unboxing this. Okay, so this of course is a Rubik's Cube, and so this is my current Rubik's Cube. It's a pretty nice Rubik's Cube, but it's a bit slow on the turns, so I decided to get a new Rubik's Cube. So this is the Rubik's Cube, so now let's just get into the unboxing part. Okay, so now I'm just going to look over the packaging a bit. So it's pretty nice packaging, like it keeps it safe pretty well and it seems pretty easy to open. It's got a little stuff. I don't know what this says because I can't read it, but it probably says the name of it and stuff. So it has a little picture on it of it just so you can see it. It has pictures of other things, so just so you can see it, and probably has a warning stuff and how to use it right here, but I can't read it. So, and yeah, and it's some pretty nice packaging, and yeah, now finally we shall unbox it. So now I've got my scissors and I've got this, so let's unbox it. Can you hear my dog drinking water in the background? Yeah. Yeah. So So all I have to do is pull right here, and it just comes right off. And then, whoa, look at this thing. This is right in here. So all I have to do is take it, go like this, and ooh. One of the best parts about this is a speed cube. This is like the nice kind. And another thing, it's super fast on turns. Like it's just very fast. But also another thing. These, I think, are the instructions, but again, as I've said multiple times, I cannot read this. I'm pretty sure this shows strategies, and this shows how to use a Rubik's Cube, which I think, personally, is very, very nice. And also, so, now let's actually judge how good of a Rubik's Cube this is. So, as I've already said, this is the speed cube. This is what they do in, like, the world record timing stuff. And it's a really nice cube. The main reason they use it is because it goes super fast. And also another thing that I love about this cube. So this cube, it's a pretty nice Rubik's Cube. But one thing is that it's sticker. It has stickers on it. Which, like, it's not horrible to have stickers on it. But, look, sometimes it, like, peels and stuff. Like, I'll show you right here. And so that's why it's better to have a non-stickerless Rubik's Cube like this one. And I just love this, how it's non-stickerless, goes super fast. And yeah, and most people that can solve a Rubik's Cube super fast probably use this, because you need this to solve really. It's like, I've seen people use this Rubik's Cube because it's really nice. And another thing that some Rubik's Cubes can't do, you don't have to do this, because like, if you don't want it, you don't want it. But this, if you want, I'm going to flip it back because it messes up the Rubik's Cube. Oh, and also, look. It's okay, but, look. So you can flip corners. Look, now it's white. I'm going to flip it back, but look at that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? And another thing that people love about this type of Rubik's Cube, it's the type of Rubik's Cube that most people use because it's just super nice. It's very light. Like, the inside of this there's no, like, hard part inside. This is air inside here. It's so nice. Like, and also, I like how one of the reasons it doesn't get all caught and stuff is it has airspace right here. So, in my opinion, this is a great Rubik's Cube, and you should totally buy it. So, this is a pretty good Rubik's Cube, and now we're going to go over some of the pros and cons of it. Well, I can't find many cons to it because it's a really nice Rubik's Cube. But one pro, I can say, I've already said it, it's so light. It's so nice. And also but a con is that if it can break a bit easily, not like super easily, like if you like this, it's not going to break. But if you like just drop it like pretty high, then it'll probably break. Because as I've said, it doesn't have much stuff in it. Also another pro, you can go like this, flip corners, I've already said. But another pro, you know this is good because this is what they actually use. And okay, so now I'm going to tell you one of the biggest pros of this thing. So this thing, if you go on Amazon, you can get this for $4.59. That's under $5. That's one nice Rubik's Cube, if you ask me, for under $5. So, that is my rating, and now, yeah. Now I'm just going to show you a few turns, like, really close, so you can actually see how this thing turns, and yeah. So this is the cube, so I'm just going to show you it. You can see all the airspace. There are no stickers here, which I really like, and then look. Pretty easy, and then I like this. But, and also, so, now, since I've shown you what I like about this Rubik's Cube, and now I've shown you the turns and what it looks like up close, I'm going to show you how to make a checkerboard. I've shown you how nice a Rubik's Cube is. I'm going to prove it to you that's nice, because now, as I said, I'm going to teach you how to do a checkerboard, and I'll show you how fast you can do a checkerboard on this thing. So to make a checkerboard on a Rubik's Cube, it has to be completely solved. You see this? Completely solved. So first, this is what you do. So, you see this? I'm going to move this so you can see it even better. Yeah, I know. Nice. But you see this thing. So first, you want to go one side, one side. You just do 2 spins, and you go like this too. One side, one side. Once it's like this, you want to flip it up like this. Then you go one side, one side, one side, one side. And now, it's a checkerboard on one side, but as you can see, not checkerboard on this side. So now you go one side, one side, one side, one side. And now it should be checkerboard on this entire thing. So now that's the tutorial of the checkerboard. So I hope you liked it. And that is the whole video, since I have shown you that I like this Rubik's Cube and the tutorial. So thanks for watching. Be back soon, and bye.